Say, hi, Mama.
Hi, Mama. Hi, my name is Maya, and I'm going to show you my exercise today. First, we're going to start off with 50 jumping jacks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'm going to do 50 push-ups. 1, 2, 3. 50 sit-ups. 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to do 50 hopscotch jumps. This is it. That's how it's supposed to be done. That counts as 1. And this is 2, 3. Notebook right here. If you see, I did.
First, we did the maximum rep challenge.
So we did.
This is all in 12 minutes.
46.
Then she still had a lot of energy, so we did the time challenge where she did 50 repetitions of each of the exercises. Good job, Maya.
And I still have more energy.
Yes, high five. Good job.
I have more energy.
FreeDailyExercise.com. Get it done at home.
Bye. Get it done at home.